Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Welcome to Frugal Friday, where viewers give me their tips and tricks and comments on the videos that I've done this week. If you're new here, you're more than welcome. And if you're a regular, thank you for keep coming back. I do appreciate it, honestly. Right, so let's get into it. This week I did an austerity video. And I always thought the whole point in government is that you paid your taxes and they give you something for it, like public services, benefits for people who are poor, sick, out of work and disabled. But apparently I'm wrong. Apparently that doesn't exist. Apparently they're happy to take the taxes, but they don't want to give you anything for it. I was miffed because I found out that the Labour fiscal rules, which Rachel Reeves often mentions, are exactly the same as the Tories. I think enough said, isn't it? We've had austerity since 2010, so that's 15 years of it, and what have we got to show for it, apart from the richer people being richer and everybody else being stuffed? But anyway, get off my box and let's talk about people's comments. Ducky7030, hello honey, you're a new commenter. She said, the state of this country is always picking on the weakest. Why not the rich? These MPs keep on saying benefits is a life of luxury. Yeah, right. And MPs are the biggest benefit claimants, yeah, because they claim their expenses, they're paid by the public purse and they get over 91,000 a year. So they're the biggest benefit scroungers, aren't they? Apart, as well as all these big corporations, because they don't pay no taxes, do they? Like Amazon and all the rest of them, where the workers are paid a pittance and their benefits have to be topped up. So basically the public purse is topping up Amazon's profits and other companies, not just to pick on Amazon. There was a Labour MP this week. He was on an interview, I can't remember his name, and he was asked if he could live on £70 a week. And he went, oh no, I've got a mortgage. How disconnected is that? These people have no idea and they just don't care. There's the odd one or two, give them that, but most of them just don't care, do they? June Lion 3965, she said there shouldn't be warm spaces. No, there shouldn't. That's disgusting. We're supposed to be a rich country, but really we're a poor country with London attached, aren't we? And bits of the southeast. Everyone else is stuffed, but London and the southeast seem to be tickety-boo because that's where all the money goes. All the investment goes to London. All the infrastructure goes to London. All the jobs go to London. And everyone else is struggling. I know there's pockets of London where they're struggling as well, but at least you can get a train that isn't falling apart. Your buses actually run. The rest of the country is not like that. Sabia Ensor 506. Hello Sabia, you've done some lovely comments this week. She said there's a Spanish saying, same dog, different collar. Yeah. She said politicians, they're all the same. Yeah. Self-serving. Even Ed Davey in the Liberal Party, he voted for austerity and benefit cuts. So he's forgot about that, didn't he? Yeah. So who'd you vote for? I really don't know who you vote for. Sabir also said children should have free school meals. Totally. Every child should have free school meals. If politicians can have free bars and lots of restaurants with subsidised food, kiddies can have free school meals. She said politicians don't have no idea what poverty is. Certainly not. Their idea of poverty is our idea of luxury. Oh, Taffy Nigeria, honey. He said if disability benefits are finally cut down, you see suicides going up. Yeah, I agree. I think there's a lot of people struggling with mental health. And if something like this happens, because things have already been cut to the bone, I try to think what's going to happen next. Irish Welsh 3553, things aren't improving here in the US. Many food items are going up, utilities are going up, and the current regime isn't helping. No, they're helping themselves. They're helping the billionaires. They're not interested in the American people. She was going on about the price of eggs. It's in double figures now, $10, $15, $20, $22. US has got it bad. my next video, 10 ways to save money. Blessed by God 3430. She says she also purchased men's thermal underwear because they're great quality and super warm. Yes, I agree. Sabine again, Hiya hon, only uses one gas ring, so for the last 5 months she's been using a camping stove as it's cheaper than the gas cooker. Yeah, that's why I've bought one. I want it as a fallback position in case Lecky's cut off, or if the bill's too high, I think right this week I'll get the gas cooker and my camping stove out. Samplex also buys men's or unisex clothes. She's given up on wearing women's clothes years ago because there's more cotton and little elastin. Yeah, there's always elastin in women's clothes. I don't know why they think we want everything stretchy. She says she's a minimalist and clothes she wears them till they're beyond repair to buy anything new. Yeah. And then she goes on to say, in short, save the best quality I can afford, the clothes and shoes, and expect them to last for years. I know, I mean, my Clark's boots they weren't as good as the ones I bought last time, but it was 5 years ago, but they certainly weren't. I'm debating whether to send them back or not, to be honest. Sue RI50B, my little honey, she says she's got short arms and men's sleeves are really long on her. They go down to her knees. So she buys boys M&S boys vests in a pack of 5, 100% cotton, and cos the kiddies, there's no VAT on them, and it's $9.50 for a pack. Yeah, I had a little look at them. The boys vests are not too small for me because I'm a lardy lady. But I've seen them on eBay, pack of men's 6 vests, or one, each vest is a different colour. 100% cotton, £12.66 free post. So I thought that'll do me. Thank you for the tip, Sue. My Cheapy Tuesday video. Sabine again, hey hon, she says she thinks emergency funds should be for boots. Thanks, honey. Lynn Norman 2144. Hey Lynn, I can always guarantee you to say something great. She uses a camping stove too, and her tip is for cooking pasta or veg. She says bring it to the boil, stop cooking halfway through, and let the residual heat do the rest of the cooking. Yeah. It's a great reminder, that one. I do that with pasta particularly, yeah, or rice. Thanks, hon. Sue bought a pure new wool blanket for a £5, one of those lovely heavy ones. I love the old Welsh blankets with the lovely patterns on, and the Scottish ones that are all tartany, or even the plain ones, and the lovely bands and silky bands around the edges. Scottish and Welsh blankets, wool ones, are absolutely wonderful. No matter how old you are, always good quality. I recommend them. Brilliant. So jealous. She also bought a Ventures double sheet for £1, and she said she got her dog clipped a while back, professionally done for £50, and he came back all patchy. So little Billy is getting clipped by her from now on, she said, because she could do it patchy as well, and she's already got the clippers, so it won't cost her a penny to do it. Good on you, Sue. I love you. You're so industrious. So industrious. My fruit and veg video, basically I'm my own fruit. It's tasteless, poor nutritional value, and it's expensive for what you get. Yeah, it's second class food at first rate prices, isn't it? Sandra Priest 8498. Hello Sandra, nice to hear from you again. She used to work in the greengrocers when she was younger. That was her Saturday job. The owner go to the wholesale market 3 times a week to house deliveries, no plastic bags, everything was loose, sold by the weight, and you get a little brown paper bag. Yeah, remember that? And she was going on about Fife's bananas. Remember Fife's bananas? Did they still do them? I don't know. Sue says she'll stop buying some horses because it doesn't matter how much you pay for them, they're too expensive and they don't taste of anything. So true, so true. And she grows all kinds of different fruits and veggies. Again, this is a woman who's so industrious, and she's even got an apple tree. Oh, humbug, I wish I had an apple tree. So good on you for growing all your own, hon. I'm impressed. Jenny Conroy, 1658. The best thing she ever did was getting allotments. Yeah, that's what I want to do. If I haven't got a garden when I move, I'm getting allotments. Because I think that's the best way to do, isn't it? She grows all what she can to eat, and the glut goes, all the extra stuff goes in the freezer. And once the freezer's full, of friends and family get it. So that's nice. You're spreading it round to everybody else, and you're keeping your own belly full. Sabia says she gets hers from a local farmer's market. Yeah, because you know the quality is going to be better. And Nima Sufi 7588. I hope I've pronounced your name wrong. Oh, she's currently getting cancer treatment, so she's worried about all the things being sprayed on fruit and veg. At the moment, she's going for frozen veg because she feels it's a bit more safe. Hope you get well soon, honey. Thinking of you. Jan Johnson 5209. Oh, she's got a large south-facing garden and grows all her own. You lucky thing. But yes, sensible lady. Don't blame me if you've got the garden, use it. Kerry James 6312. Hey, Kerry. Always says hello during the week. Thanks, Kerry. She says she tries to find homegrown locally, or she goes to the farmer's market. And Taffy Nigel, hello, hon. He goes to Cardiff indoor market. We've got the loose fruit and veg, and then there's all the other stores with cakes and breads and fish and everything. Sounds wonderful. Rainbow Tree 3 buys from the local market stall holder, and she grows her own, makes sure it's organic, and she's even got a few apple trees. See, you're all industrious. I'm so jealous you've all got gardens and local markets. Gail Gulliver 8970. She says she got some supermarket green beans and they're going brown and off within a few days. Because they come from Africa. She said, why aren't we growing our own food in the UK? Yeah. Because other countries do. I know it's like the likes of Turkey. They're self-sufficient, totally self-sufficient. They don't need nothing for anybody. She says they keep going on about global warming, but there's all these planes full of this food and causing air pollution. So right. And I'm going to end on lovely kids and grandkids. 840. Hello, hon. She always nice. It drops us a line. She said we can no longer buy food that's good, healthy food. We were encouraged as youngsters. The ground is now contaminated with many chemicals. Imported foods are all travel weary. Yeah, I think that actually says it all, doesn't it? Too much herbicides, pesticides, and whatever sides. So yeah, it's been a really good constructive week. Lots of lovely positive comments and tips, and I'm impressed you're all growing your own or going to the local market. See, you're all dead industrious. So thanks so much for coming. Hope to see you soon, and have a lovely weekend. I'll look after you and yours. Bye for now.